Let's go to level 2. I like that. That's a cool one. Oh, and I just found a beautiful one. Now let's try out these seats. Oh, Trip to the Moon. That's an old one. Chilling up here. There's some, I don't know, stuff going on outside. Pretty cool. This is a part I guess a lot of y'all would like. Do yourself robot. Am I a robot now? Let's do something funny. Here he goes. Chilling out here with the robots. Let's go into this section. This looks like, ooh. Can you imagine? Okay, so now it's time to go to the 3rd floor. One up, let's go. And I think they want us to walk like the opposite direction, which is all fine, but let's do it on the 3rd floor. Okay, what is this? Ooh. I just want to show you that I beat it right there. Man, this is when it goes bad, but at least I got like 28,783 in the top 10,000. Pretty good job, I would say.